Hi, Bill the Flavor Guy here once again, making ice cream soft serve with our Cuisinart little soft serve machine. So today we're going to do a strawberry. We're going to do something a little different. We're going to actually variegate some actual strawberry, and it's just sugar and strawberries, mostly strawberries, of course. I have our base, which has been sitting in the refrigerator, I should say freezer, getting super cold. Our drum's inside. Now, in this base that we're doing for the strawberry, because ice cream is not normally acidic and fruity flavors, as I always say, in nature they have acid in them for a reason. That's because by design, with the sugar and the acid, that's what makes the flavor bloom or come alive. And so when we add a fruity flavor to an ice cream without acid being there, you tend to add more, trying to overcome the fact that there's no acid there. That's the mistake, is you're thinking that by adding more flavor, you're going to get it to kind of come out, and it won't. No matter how much flavor you add to it, it's not going to taste like a strawberry unless you add a little bit of acid. Now, if you put too much acid inside an ice cream base, it will curdle just like cottage cheese, because there's proteins in here, and acids denature those proteins and they start to fall out, like the whey starts to come out and it curdles up. But there's a trick. You can get some vanilla yogurt, like a Chobani or Stonyfield. I prefer those types, natural. And you put a little, like this is 32 ounces. I put 2 heaping tablespoons of vanilla yogurt into this mix. And the acid, the lactic acid that's in the yogurt, will be your acid to help drive the strawberry flavor. Okay, so now we are going to put in 3 grams of NF2827 strawberry into our ice cream base. We've already put in our teaspoon of our aged vanilla extract. And so now we're adding our strawberry flavor. And as I said, we wanted to make sure we had plenty of some kind of an acidity in this product to drive that flavor, to make it come out. 3 flavors we've done so far have turned out really well. And the reason why I know is because the employees here at Nature's Flavors are hardcore critics, and they're not afraid to tell me when something doesn't taste good. I do my best to try it before they do, but sometimes I don't get it right. Even the flavor guy makes mistakes with flavor. Angelica, one of our 2 photographers / videographers shooting the video today, was kind enough to press out the juice of our strawberry puree, and that's going to be our color. It's also going to add to our flavor. Thanks, Angelica. I'm going to pour that juice inside and add to our texture as well, because now we've just added some juice and some more sugar, and that actually kind of plays into how the ice cream is going to freeze. I'm going to spoon in some of that strawberry puree that Angelica made earlier. So we'll see you back here in a few minutes. It's going to be like nothing to you, but it's going to be about 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, so we're back and we're just about ready to serve up our soft serve. And a good friend has popped in and joined us to try some ice cream. This is Dr. Tuan Lam. And probably shouldn't be telling him what he's eating, because he's a heart surgeon, and this probably wouldn't be good for you if you're trying to avoid seeing him, except as friends. Anyway, how's it going, Dr. Tuan?
Good. It's a good day.
Yeah?
I'm ready to try some ice cream.
Ready to try some soft serve strawberry ice cream? All right.
Small amount.
All right, small amount. That means more. Extra large. So it really is soft serve this time.
So what makes it soft serve versus a normal consistency?
Well, really, it's basically the same mix as regular ice cream, except it hasn't completely frozen down yet, and so it's just before you would take it to the freezer and get it to harden up. Put a little more sugar on top of it. Yeah, basically. All right, tell us what you think. I don't think so. This is gonna mess up dinner.
Really good.
Is it good?
Yeah, really good. Strawberry flavor ice cream.
If it's good enough for a heart surgeon, it's good enough for all of us. All right, well, that concludes our strawberry soft serve demonstration with the Cuisinart little soft serve machine. We'll talk to you soon.